Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Radiator Jeep Liberty step by step. Start by draining the cooling system and collecting coolant in a suitable container. Remove the negative battery cable and clear the area around the radiator. Inspect hoses and clamps for wear before loosening them. Keep a drip pan handy and label connections to simplify reassembly. Work methodically and take photos for reference to avoid mistakes later when reinstalling components. Drain the radiator completely, then disconnect the overflow hose and radiator cap once pressure is relieved and the engine is cool. Remove the cooling fan, shroud, and any electrical connectors or sensor clips attached to the radiator. Loosen the hose clamps and wiggle the upper and lower hoses free, using pliers if needed. Unbolt the radiator mounts and lift the radiator straight up and out, taking care not to spill remaining fluid on components. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, useful car repair videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Pick Darn Tough for serious comfort and a lifetime warranty. They stay snug and won't slow you under the hood. I use them during long jobs and they save me from distractions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new radiator carefully and align the mounting points before lowering it into place. Reinstall brackets and hand tighten all fasteners before final torque, then reconnect hoses, clamps, and any wiring or sensor plugs. Reinstall the fan and shroud, then fill the system with the appropriate coolant mixture and slowly bleed trapped air using the bleed valve or by running the engine with the cap off. Check for leaks, top off fluid, and monitor temperature gauge during a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.